In this video, I'll show you how to use agents in Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity and sign into your account. From the main dashboard, open your project or create a new one where you want the AI agents to work. Next, locate the Agents panel and create a new agent. Give the agent a clear task by describing exactly what you want it to do, such as building a feature, fixing bugs, writing documentation, researching a topic, or generating code. Now, start the agent and let it analyze your project. The agent can review your files, create a plan, write code, perform research, and complete the assigned task. As it works, you can monitor its progress and review the actions it performs. After that, review the results generated by the agent. If you want additional changes, continue chatting with the same agent or launch another agent to work on a different task at the same time. You can run multiple agents in parallel to speed up your workflow. Finally, inspect the completed work, apply any necessary edits, and save your project. Continue using agents for new features, debugging, testing, documentation, or other development tasks to make your workflow faster and more efficient. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use agents in Google Antigravity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.